Hello friends, let's enter into the chapter number 3, polynomials. What are polynomials? Polynomials are algebraic expressions constructed using constants, variables. Polynomials are algebraic expressions constructed using constants, variables, where variables can be raised to the powers of non-negative integers. Where variables can be raised to the powers of non-negative integers. Okay, let me explain this briefly. So ax square plus bx plus c, this is a polynomial. Fine, this is a polynomial because here these are called coefficients a and b. Here these are called coefficient. This is coefficient of x square is a and coefficient of x is b. Clear? These are called coefficients and this x is called variable and this is called exponent or power, and this c is called constant. Let me explain it again. Algebraic expressions constructed using constants, variables. This constant, this x is called variables, where variables can be raised to the power of non-negative integers. So here let us consider that 1 by x square. What is this 1 by x square? Can be written as x power minus 2. Here the power should only in the form of what? In the form of non-negative integers. So non-negative integers are nothing but integers. Non-negative integers means positive integers 0, 1, 2 and so on till n. These are all the positive integers. It should be not negative. It can be either 0, 1, 2 and so on till n. Here in this case of 1 by x square or 1 by square root of 2x, it can be written as like 1 by 2x power 1 by 2 x 2x power minus 1 by 2. Here again powers in terms of negatives. So in these cases these are not called as polynomials. Here the polynomials will always be expressed in powers of non-negative integers. So clear? This is the polynomial concept. Let's move on to the degree of a polynomial. What is the degree of a polynomial? Degree of a polynomial is nothing but, let us consider a polynomial here in the case of ax square plus bx plus c. This is a polynomial with variables and constants and coefficients. Here what is the power? Highest power of the variable is called the degree of the polynomial. Here this is the variable. Here if nothing is there, it is the power of 1, it is the power of 2. What is the highest power? 2. Here 2 is the degree of the polynomial ax square plus bx plus c. Let's take another example like 10x power 6 plus 4x power 4 plus 3, some other polynomial. Here when you consider the polynomial degree is 6 and here it is 4. So what is the highest degree? Highest degree is 6. Hence for this entire polynomial, degree of the polynomial is 6. 6 is the degree. Clear with the degree of the polynomial. After the degree, let's move on to the value of a polynomial. What is value of the polynomial? Value of a polynomial. value of a polynomial means nothing but, let us suppose represent the polynomial as p of x is equals to ax square plus bx plus c, or you can take it like 4x square plus 3x plus 2 or something I have taken as a polynomial. Value of polynomial at x is equals to 2. Let us take any example. I am taking x is equals to 2. Then at p of 2, the value will be 4 into 2 square plus 3 into 2 plus 2. So 4 4s are 16 plus 3 2s are 6 plus 2. So how much you'll get? 16 plus 6 22. 22 plus 2 24. Here the value of the polynomial is nothing but, at a given x value we have to substitute the value of x in the given equation to derive a single value. Then the value whatever we obtain by substituting the x value, this value is called the value of the polynomial. Clear? I am explaining you again. At whatever the x value, we have to substitute the given x value in the equation to obtain a single value. This value what we obtain is called the value of the polynomial at x equal to 2. Okay, this is called the value of the polynomial. What is 0 of the polynomial? 0 of polynomial. 0 of polynomial. Let us take here an example of polynomial is equals to x square minus 2x minus 3. So let us suppose consider it at x is equals to 3. How much we'll get at x equal to 3? When you substitute p of 3 equals to 3 square minus 2 into 3 minus 3. 3 square is 9 minus 2 3s are 6, again 3. So what will we get? 9 minus 9, that is equals to 0. So at x equal to 3, the value of the polynomial is 0. Hence x equal to 3 is called the 0 of the polynomial. Okay, clear? So here 0 of the polynomial is nothing but at which value of x will get the polynomial as 0, then 0 of the polynomial is 3. Clear? So at x equals to 3, the value of the polynomial becomes 0. In general, we can refer that let here for k be any real number, such that p of k equals to 0, then k is called 0 of a polynomial. So here I have explained to in each case this is a quadratic equation because the power of x is 2. Okay, here this is a quadratic equation. In case the equation is expressed in terms of ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, then it is called cubic equation. So this is the power is of 2. So I have expressed in terms of ax square plus bx plus c, which is called quadratic equation, and if it is expressed in terms of cubes, it is called cubic equation. So generally a polynomial can be expressed as polynomial. General notation of a polynomial can be expressed as polynomial of x equals to a naught x power n plus a1 x power n minus 1 plus a2 x power n minus 2 plus a3 x power n minus 3, and it continues on till a n minus 1 x plus a n. Clear? This is the general notation of a polynomial. A naught x power n plus a1 x power n minus 1 plus a2 x power n minus 2 plus a3 x power n minus 3, and so on. It continues on till a n minus 1 x plus a n. So this is the general notation of a polynomial, and this is the concept of the polynomial. I hope, see, this is the polynomial concept. Algebraic expressions constructed using constants, variables, where variables can be expressed to the powers of non-negative integers. So this is the expression. This is the expression of quadratic equation, polynomial, hence it is a quadratic polynomial. This one, degree of the polynomial, value of the polynomial, and 0 of a polynomial. So this is general notation of the polynomial. This is very important that you have to go through. What is general notation? A0 x power n plus a1 x power n minus 1 plus a2 x power n minus 2 plus a3 x power n minus 3 and so on, plus an minus 1 into x plus an. This is the general notation of a polynomial. So based on this concept, let's move on to exercise 3.1 and solve the questions. I hope you like this video. In case you like the video, do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.